Who is MSRT? Some of you may already be familiar with those initials if you're already a Fast Forward fan. If not, MSRT are the counterpart company of the M Sport Rally team based here in the UK. What they do is they take the already tough and reliable Ford vehicles and turn them into something a little bit extra special. Hand built here in the UK, they will deliver you a motorsport inspired vehicle. MSRT's relationship with Ford allow the People's Ford dealership network to supply and maintain these vehicles for you. And today, we're with the MSRT Ford Ranger. The MSRT Ford Ranger is based on the well-equipped Wildtrak, but this version is designed to be a little bit more road biased. It's worth noting that at this point in the UK you can only buy the MSRT as a 5-seater double cab. Left-hand drive markets will have the option of the 2-door super cab. So the front end of the MSRT Ford Ranger is where we can see quite a lot of changes. Most noticeably, we've got this new redesigned honeycomb front grille, which looks great. It's also wrapped in this really nice carbon trim. This carbon trim also continues down here to the fog lights surround, where we've got integrated LED fog lights down here also. Headlights have also got really nice LED daytime running lights. The whole lower half of the front bumper has also been completely redesigned, and it completely changes the look of the Ford Ranger from the front. As we work along the side of the vehicle, the first thing you'll notice are these super wide flared front arches. These look super aggressive and really add to the road presence of the MSRT Ranger when you see it in the rearview mirror. These are wrapped over the biggest wheels ever to feature in the Ford Ranger. These are 20-inch OZ Racing MSRT wheels, super concave, diamond cut finish, painted in black, and look fantastic on the truck as a whole. As we work on the side of the vehicle, you've got these really cool carbon mirrors. We've got the limited edition decals as well, and you've got the MSRT decal down low. Down here, we've also got these super cool sculpted side skirts, which again really add to the overall profile. Also, which is a really nice feature, when you open the body colour door handles, by the way, is you get this cool electrically operated step, which really helps when you're getting in and out of such a big truck. As we work further along, we've got, again, rear quarters, super wide, flared a good 4 or 5 inches, which really, again, adds to that overall road presence of the MSRT Ranger. To the rear of the MSRT Ranger, first thing you'll notice is these rear tail lights are almost sort of recessed into the rear quarters. That's just because these guys are super wide, and from behind, this actually looks really cool. As you come along the back of the van, you've got a redesigned rear bumper, almost diffuser, and we've got a little suggestion here of some sort of fake air grills, but from the back they're actually quite impactful. When we open the tailgate of the Ranger, MSRT have actually made no changes whatsoever in here, which is great news because the payload of the MSRT Ranger is still over a tonne, which means it still qualifies as a commercial vehicle, meaning you still get your taxable benefits if you purchase the van. Also, you've got your electric operated tailgate, which is brilliant for being able to chuck your stuff in, close it up, and you know you're nice and safe. MSRT haven't made any changes or modifications to the engine. This still features the 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine straight out of the Wildtrak with 210 brake horsepower and a towing capacity of 3.5 tonnes, which is great. It also features the 10-speed auto box, which is straight out of the Mustang. What you do get though, is you get this MSRT sport steering wheel. This is incredibly chunky and feels amazing under hand. It's finished in eco black leather with the orange stitch and perforated sides, and just looks great. That leather is also continued onto the dash with your orange stitches and also onto your armrest. The seats as well are finished in the same leather, but you've got nice suede inserts with the orange stitch, which are really cool. These are also electrically controlled with manual lumbar support, which is great. On top of all of that, you get the MSRT premium mats front and back, you get some nice MSRT branded scuff plates, and you also get your little plaque which tells you your custom build number. This is 296 out of the 750 limited edition models. Obviously, with this being a utility vehicle, I'm always looking for those little extra things that'll help you in your day-to-day. Up front here, you've got 2 USB chargers, which is great. I mean, you can charge 2 phones or 2 different devices, which is really handy. But my favourite feature has got to be the 3-pin 12-volt in the back here. I mean, you can plug in to charge your laptop or a drill or whatever you need. With this truck being designed with a slightly more road use biased, those large 20-inch OZ racing wheels and the smaller profile tyres, it's been an absolute dream to drive around the city centre. I have to say, in here the finishes are a really high standard and it's been great to be in, and I love the look of it externally. It almost gets me a little bit nervous to get it dirty, but you have to bear in mind MSRT have designed this for the rough and rugged, and I'm sure it'll be an absolute dream off-road as well. Thanks very much for watching. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the MSRT. We absolutely love it. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.